and speak of Robin Hood, but they don't got his flow. Well, you were panicking, dilly-dallying under the throne. I'll be hijacking into the palace to plunder the gold, and then get back on my stallion, galloping to Papawood, refunding the broke with the money that the monarchy stole. Then maybe leave a little gift behind for the rich to find out what kind of present doesn't come with a bow. The moustache and assassin, you couldn't leave a scratch on me with either your sword or bombs. With a face like that, man, you lacked attraction until they turn your head into a tourist one. This time, make sure your matchstick works. When I send you more underground than the Catholic Church. You were persecuted, couldn't get married, and go to mass, and worse, you had to put on your grandma's shirt. But what does a man in tights know about that? Well, I do know belts don't go on your hat. Could have blown the king dead, but at least you're remembered by making dogs piss themselves every 5th of November. How did your hidden agenda get thwarted? How did they possibly cut and nothing? A rotten plot and spot the bombs promptly. We're popping the Protestants, stop your posse from gossiping. I can hear them plotting all the way from the forest to Nottingham. Your followers are tossers and pillaged pilgrims and dunces. All that gunpowder, the bloody plunder and busting. It wasn't your plot, you were following orders. So I'll be another Rob that you're taking the fall for.
Those were the rhymes of Robin Hood. You should pill for some doper raps. But hey, you successfully robbed me of a minute of my life that I won't get back. I fought in an 80-year battle, shed blood so the Spanish flag could fly. Compare that to your little ballads. They read like a Peter pantomime of an affinity for artillery. So don't bring a bow to a can of fight. If you want to trade blows, Robin Hood, I will set you in your stock market Appolite. Look at you, just inconsistent. You hate the rich, yet your mates were richer. Evidently you just can't take commitment. Marrying still waiting for a wedding date to finish. So your aim was great with its brained equipment, but my aim was to change the system. I'm a deadly disease with this cadence rhythm, and I'm infecting a thief like a plagiarist.
I expect the fun stuff, but there's not much the minister so can knock up. John Johnson sucks like Prince John Storms. He got hung with a little John Johnson. Christian, read the Bible. God ain't too keen on the genocide.
Don't get within range of the British Hawkeye when your shots are bullshit and mine. I tend to be friendly with any enemy, showing them plenty mercy no matter the stakes or peril. Remember the very day that I'm making a special case and I'm splitting you like an arrow. The bloody man of men that I'm rolling with are the merriest. Your friends abandon you like wine with barrels in a cellar. Kid, you're not a vigilante veteran, you're a domestic terrorist. Don't need a revolution, girl, you need a therapist.
You shall mock my sacrifice. The king knew that he'd have to hang me twice. Yes, they cut my balls off, and I still got bigger bollocks than a very merry man goodbye. For the torture, young horses stay to every corner. The lemon foster lay pulling your torso, hung drawn and quat. Never spoke at all, though, cause there's only one lord I talk to. You're a dorky Zorro, the most awful outlaw to be thought as moral. So on board your high horse, cause you're a taught and not warm. If I can't fight a fire with fire, I've had a fox with fox. Have you not learned a word from your shite books? Fucking clever Robin Hood had to Sherwood and Hyde run. Cause we're after like a servant, a church and a guthy goddess was so much hunger and thirst like my verses a Friar attack. Are you 13 burglars quite done with the fairy to how about to go turn it to fine dust? Wait until you learn the murder you're serving under. You heard it could never be heard and murdered by none, but fucking murdered by none. The time Rob of Lockley ventured to my hood and thought that his plot was better. I'll show this archer some honest intentions when I chop off his fingers like V for Vendetta.